take the high branches, I'll work down here.
Sounds good. Watch out for the mist.
Avocado, hanging heavy on the branch, nourished by the morning dew and the golden sun.
We pick them by hand, one by one. It takes patience to make sure they don't bruise before they reach the packing house.
Bring that bin over here. Almost full, Jeffe.
Sunsets. The industrial rhythm of the avocado harvest continues, ensuring fresh produce reaches tables across the globe.
We need more crates on this row.
Careful with that one, it's heavy.
Make sure they don't bruise. Almost done with this row. The quality is excellent
Stack to
today.
the left. Okay, bringing the next one over now. Watch the clearance on the trailer.
Every morning, this convoy delivers the freshest avocados from our farms to your table.
Ensuring peak freshness, this convoy transports the freshly harvested avocados along scenic routes to the processing facility. Number 7. Temperature holding steady at 38. We are clear for transport.
Channel 3, Bay 12 is clear, maintaining 37 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, drivers, keep it tight. We're almost there. Bay 7 is open. Bring it around.
Synchronized arrival of the refrigerated fleet ensures peak freshness for the state-of-the-art facility.
Okay, the manifest looks correct on this one. Take it to the cooling area. And make sure the next pallet is secure before moving it.
Avocados to lane 4 for inspection.
Copy that. Moving them over now.
Here is the first shipment of the day. Thank you. We'll start the quality checks now.
As the morning shift begins, our team meticulously inspects every bin, ensuring only the highest quality avocados move down the line.
Seeing some bruising on this one. Look here.
Right. And this one feels ready for immediate distribution.
Check the quality on this batch right here.
Okay. Already noted. They meet the export standard.
Every single avocado undergoes a rigorous inspection process, utilizing bright LED lights and advanced machine vision to detect
Utilizing
imperfections.
state-of-the-art inspection equipment, we precisely sort thousands of avocados, guaranteeing perfect ripeness every time.
Scan complete.
Stainless steel conveyors carry the fruit towards the washing department. Sequence engaged. Quality control parameters are optimal. Ensure continuous
Monitor
product
the
flow.
spray nozzles on line 4. Ensure full coverage before the sorting stage. Facility ensures every avocado is meticulously cleaned by rotating brushes and pressurized
Lanes
water.
active. Maintaining optimal hygiene standards.
Attention employees. Line 3 requires immediate quality inspection. Ensure all produce meets the hyper-realistic standard.
Now enter the air knife dryers, where high-velocity air ensures every last drop of water is removed.
Cycle complete. All units proceeding to automated inspection.
Processing volume at 98% efficiency. Rerouting batch 7B for secondary ripening
Inspection
analysis.
complete. Quality confirmed. Rerouting to optimal ripeness chamber. Utilizing hypothel imaging.
Inspection active. Defect rate 0.01%. Sorting complete.
47. Weight 182 grams. Sorting complete.
Sorting complete. Lane 1, premium grade. Lane 2, standard grade.
$160 grams. The grading system ensures only premium fresh market avocados continue to packaging, while the ripe fruit is
now enters step 6, the climate-controlled ripening chambers, ensuring perfect maturation.
Following the initial grading, thousands of avocados proceed to these massive climate-controlled chambers, where the ripening process is meticulously managed. State-of-the-art sensors monitor every aspect of the ripening process, ensuring perfect quality.
Temperature stable at 18.5 degrees Celsius. Humidity optimal. Ethylene concentration maintained at 149 ppm. All systems green.
In this facility, precision and scale converge, ensuring thousands of avocados. The scale of this operation is immense. A symphony of automation, ensuring perfect ripeness for markets worldwide. State-of-the-art facility meticulously manages the ripening process, ensuring every avocado reaches the consumer at the pinnacle of non-contact optical scanning. We ensure peak ripeness without compromising quality. The future of fresh produce is here. As the avocados leave the chambers, they enter step 7. Our advanced inspection system uses high-speed sensors to guarantee perfect ripeness.
We processed the first 10,000 units.
The AI catch rate is holding steady at optimal levels.
Optimal ripeness confirmed.
Utilizing precision laser scanning, the AI constructs a hyper-detailed topographic map of the surface in real time.
Good. The firmness is consistent across the sample. Approved for packing.
Analyzing ripeness and quality. Flawless execution ensures peak freshness for distribution.
Our precision pneumatic diverters ensure that only the finest processing-grade fruit continues to the cutting line.
Scanning sequence complete.
All units approved for shipment. Automated quality control standard met.
Optimal weight detected. Processing approved.
Utilizing advanced robotics, this facility processes over 10,000 avocados a minute, ensuring perfect ripeness.
Welcome to step 8, automated cutting and destoning. Attention production line. Cycle 42 proceeding nominally. Maintain optimal velocity.
Check alignment on servo 4.
Looks good. Speed is optimal.
The system automatically verifies the cutting accuracy, allowing our team to supervise the synchronization with total
Attention all
confidence.
staff.
We have successfully processed over 10,000 units this hour. Keep up the excellent work.
At the flow rate on the byproduct line.
Yes, completely optimized since the upgrade.
The AI vision cameras are showing a 98% accuracy rate on
That meets the
Rotation
threshold.
speed is optimal. Confirmed. The next batch is ready.
Here we see the cutting department, where synchronized machinery handles the delicate
Entry
fruit.
check on lane 4 is holding steady at 99%. Good. The diversion rate is minimal.
We are now entering automated peeling and flesh extraction, step 9 of the process.
The efficiency is remarkable
Everything
at this
appears
volume.
to be running smoothly this cycle. Monitor the extraction metrics closely.
The yield on line 3 is holding steady at 99%.
Good. The new algorithms are definitely working.
Current velocity. We are seeing minor fluctuations on the macro extraction.
Adjusting the servo timing now.
AI vision system inspects every portion, removing imperfections at superhuman speed.
Attention all personnel. Line 3 requires immediate
We are
clearance.
approaching the target fill level on hopper 3. Acknowledged. The conveyor is slowing
Automated
down.
transfer augers ensure a constant flow of fresh avocado. Everything looks optimal from here.
Avocado flow rate is steady at 500 kilograms per hour.
Looks good. We are ready for the next batch of tomatoes.
Human ratios are optimized. Go ahead and initiate the automated release sequence.
Check the
consistency on the main screen.
Looks perfect, increasing flow rate now.
Weighing system confirms precise measurement of tomatoes. Batch synchronization is optimal.
System screen. The salt dispersion looks perfect.
Agreed. The mixture is ready for the final blend.
Consistency is holding steady at 85%.
Good, keep the rotation speed constant.
The AI monitors the mixture in real time, analyzing texture and temperature until the ideal consistency is achieved.
Texture and pH levels are optimal.
Confirmed. The batch is approved.
Speed adjusted automatically right here.
Yes, the consistency looks perfect now.
Check the flow rate on screen 3. It's holding steady. The batch volume is almost complete.
See that spike at sensor 4?
Yes, the flow rate adjusted automatically. It's smooth sailing from here to deaeration.
The freshly mixed guacamole now enters the vacuum mixing and deaeration department. The automated process
We're almost at the set point. Programmed level achieved.
Oxygen levels are stable at 0.1%. Optimal smoothness achieved.
Excellent. Proceed with the next phase. All indicators are green. We have achieved perfect consistency. The viscosity is optimal. Pressure restoration nominal.
cycle complete. Green status on all indicators.
Parameters verified for batch 7.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with HPP cycle. All systems are optimal for the high-pressure sequence.
The robotic transfer is complete. We are clear for step 12.
We're approaching maximum capacity. Confirmed. System holding steady at 10,000 psi.
Verified by AI vision, the processed guacamole containers move swiftly along the stainless steel conveyors toward the automated filling machines.
High pressure processing is complete. Everything looks good on batch 72. Confirmed. Let's ramp up the line speed.
The fill volumes are perfect. Speed is optimal. We are good to go. Laser-guided fill level sensors inspect every container immediately after filling.
Scan rates are holding at 99%. Good, the QR codes are verifying instantly.
Checkwares are clear on line 4.
Confirmed. The AI bridge is running at 99% efficiency.
Looks good for release. Reroute the last pallet. Sensor alignment is off by 2 degrees. Acknowledged. Rerouting for secondary scan.
The flow rate is holding steady at 200 units per minute.
Good, the sensitivity levels look optimal. We need to monitor the carton erectors closely this cycle.
Yes, the alignment seems slightly off on that side.
All quality inspections successfully completed. Welcome to Step 15, Automated Carton Packing and Palletizing.
Continue seamlessly as automated top-fold machines close every filled carton before high-speed sealing systems apply industrial adhesive and reinforced sealing.
The high-speed inkjet printers apply shipping data and barcodes. Laser verification systems instantly...
The AI adjusted the pattern on layer 7. Stability looks optimal now. Good, let's monitor the next cycle. Look here, the RFID tag on pallet 4B just confirmed entry.
Perfect. The system updated the inventory in real time.
We have clearance for the next shipment to the cold storage. Acknowledged. All systems are green.
Pallet 34B is secured at level 9. Inventory updated.
Confirmed. The system is running smoothly.
Maintain the synchronized flow at junction 12.
All paths clear. Efficiency remains at 99%.
The AI has rerouted the priority shipment to level 4.
Acknowledged. The system is already processing the new retrieval protocol.
All schedules verified and synced with the central system.
Looks good. We are clear for the next wave of shipments.
All green on the manifests for the Texas shipment.
Excellent. The automated loaders are performing optimally.
Guacamole shipment confirmed.
Perfect. Pushing to inventory now.
Everything looks good on the manifest, Sarah.
Confirmed. The next shipment is due in 10 minutes. Reroute the guacamole shipment to Dock 7.
Confirmed. Adjusting the schedule now.
Using intelligent load balancing, the system ensures every pallet is arranged perfectly before the doors seal.
Safe travels. See you tonight. Continue en route.
All right, the truck is docked. Start the alignment sequence.
Levelers engaged. We are clear for unloading.
How many more layers are in this one?
Just 2.
I'll take this cart out now.
Check the dates on the hummus before you put them out.
Already did. They're good until the 25th.
Experience the vibrant taste of our perfectly organized guacamole, kept fresh by a gentle circulation of cold air.
This premium one looks promising. Sourced locally, too.
Let's get these rotated to the front.
Looks good, perfectly chilled.
Wow, look at all the options.
Should we get the mild or the spicy?
The recipe calls for 3 avocados.
All right, grab these 2 and let's check out the cilantro.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Come on, try some before it disappears.
He's right. It's absolutely delicious tonight.
A commitment to quality and a sustainable future, every step of the way.
Look at the efficiency metrics here.
Impressive. The automated system is optimizing the throughput.
Generation is holding steady at 1.21 gigawatts.
And consumption remains stable across all sectors. The optimization is working.
The efficiency metrics are holding steady at 99.8%.
And the predictive maintenance schedule for Sector Gamma looks good.
All systems are green across the board.
Excellent. Maintain current levels.
From sunrise to the deepest night, the facility operates around the clock, a seamless symphony of automation.
Check the throughput on conveyor 4.
Looks stable, but the humidity sensor is spiking.
We begin the journey as the avocados are received, washed, and sorted. They are then cut and pitted before moving to...
We ensure the highest quality standards are met.
This guacamole is incredible. You have to try some.
Sequence initiated. Pallet transfer commencing. Bay door closing procedure active. From the moment the sun rises, our commitment to the complete farm-to-table journey ensures peak freshness.
Everything looks incredible, especially the guacamole.
Grandpa, pass the tacos, please.
Here you go.
Look at that rich texture. We've added the perfect blend of diced tomatoes, onions, and fresh cilantro.
And so the cycle continues. A new day begins, and with it,
operating at full capacity, this facility represents the pinnacle of modern agricultural engineering, harmonizing technology with nature.